Today's generation can survive low battery anxiety, but not boredom for 3 minutes.
And somehow children can remember 50 game skins, but not where they kept their school notebooks.
So today's question is simple. Are mobile games building future skills or just future thumb muscles?
Because what starts as just 5 minutes somehow becomes, how is it already night?
And why does the phone battery finish faster than homework?
Welcome to Voice for Change with D&H.
Today we are going to talk about mobile gaming, hobbies, skills and the future generation.
Mobile games give instant excitement, quick wins, quick fun,
and quick emotional damage when Wi-Fi disappears during an important match.
Suddenly the phone is no longer a device.
It becomes a life lesson machine.
But to be fair, gaming is not just time pass anymore.
The gaming industry is growing rapidly across the world.
Meanwhile, many parents are still trying to understand what rank push actually means.
Some children today spend more hours on screens than sleeping.
At this point, even the charger deserves family member status.
Let's clear one big confusion.
Casual gaming and professional gaming are completely different worlds.
No strategy, just vibes.
Just one more match, the most dangerous tendency in human history.
Professional gaming means long practice hours,
Strategy,
tournaments,
discipline,
teamwork,
pressure handling, and balancing all that with education, health, and real life.
same activity, different mindset.
One is relaxing on a sofa.
The other is training like an athlete, while everyone still thinks you are just playing games.
Mobile gaming careers can become real opportunities because gaming, AI, entertainment, and digital media are all growing rapidly.
But future generation also need discipline,
Digital balance,
financial awareness,
backup skills,
healthy screen habits.
because entertainment without limits slowly steals time without permission.
We are not saying mobile games are bad.
We are saying unbalanced use is very dangerous.
Now let's talk about hobbies.
Because when hobbies are developed seriously, they stop becoming hobbies.
They become skills.
Unless your hobby is opening 10 apps and forgetting why.
Then congratulations. You are training in advanced multitasking confusion. Reading can improve writing, communication, blogging, content creation.
And at least it saves you from reading the same WhatsApp messages 5 or more times to understand it.
Music can lead to singing, teaching, performing, composing and so on.
Or becoming the official background music provider at any function.
Dance can create opportunities in choreography, fitness, competitions, performance.
Or make you the person everyone points at when someone says, come on, somebody, let's dance.
Sports can become professional careers, coaching opportunities, or lifelong fitness habits.
Or simply make you captain of every fun match.
Carpenters, chefs, electricians, mechanics, designers, artists.
They are the backbone of society.
They didn't just dream about skills.
They build them.
Meanwhile, many people are still saying, I will start learning from Monday.
But Monday is also planning to arrive from next Monday and it's gone.
Many people grow up believing only degrees define success.
But in real life, skills often speak louder than any certificates.
Future jobs may change because of technology and AI.
But certainly, creativity, communication, discipline, and practical skills will always matter. Parents, the first step is very simple. Be an example.
Show your own hobbies and interests.
Nowadays, we even see mothers and children joining classes together, learning together, and even performing together.
Children don't always remember lectures.
But they do remember who spent quality time with them and learning with them.
Second, don't only restrict screen time.
Redirect it.
Third, encourage skill building activities.
Appreciate effort, not only results.
And expose children to real world experiences, not only virtual rewards. So the real question is not games or hobbies.
The real question is, are we building skills along with entertainment?
Technology is not the enemy.
Unbalanced use of that is the real culprit.
Children don't change because of pressure.
They change when life gives them something meaningful to explore.
A hobby can build patience,
Creativity,
confidence,
and sometimes even a career.
skills built today shape tomorrow.
And skilled people shape the world.
So tell us honestly in the comments, what skill do today's children need the most?
Gaming skills, social skills, or survival skills when Wi Fi stops working.
And what hobby or skill helped you grow in life?
If the conversation made you think,
Share it with one parent, one student, or one gamer.
use time wisely, build skills,
Build your future because
change begins
begins
at
at
home.
home.
Bye bye.